In this video, you'll be learning how to fix Print Spooler service is not running after Windows 11 update. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for services.msc. Once you've typed that, hit the Enter key so that you would be navigated to the window where it is. You can see the services. Okay. Now, in a few seconds, you would be navigated here at the services. All you need to do is you need to locate for the service named Print Spooler. So select any of the service and type P in the keyboard, and in that way you would be navigated easily to the services starting with P and locate with Print Spooler. Once you find it, make a right click, go with Properties, and this kind of window, please proceed to the recovery and set the reset fail count after 1 day and proceed with the restart service after 1 minute. Click on apply and then OK. Once done, minimize it first and proceed to the File Explorer. So bring it up. You can also press Windows key and E key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the File Explorer easily. So from here, you need to navigate to this PC. Okay, proceed here at the left pane where you can see this PC. Click on this one, click on this forward arrow, and it will show you your C drive. Click on it. And here at the C drive, it will eventually show you all of the file folders. The hidden file hasn't been included here, but don't worry, we just have to navigate with the Windows, double tap here. And here at the Windows, you need to locate for a file folder named System32. So please scroll down and locate for it. Once you find it, please double tap. And here at the System32, you need to locate for the spool file folder. So locate for it again. Just use the down arrow key to easily locate it. Again, locate with the file folder named spool. Okay. Now, once you find it, you need to double tap here and please proceed to the file folder named printers. So double tap here, and here you need to ensure that this folder is empty, because one of the factor why you face an error is that you have set a data here or a file. So just drag your cursor to select the whole and click on this delete icon. Once you have ensured that this folder is empty, close the window. And from here at the services, bring it back and please proceed to the print spooler. Make a right click, go with the properties, and you need to proceed with the recovery and set the reset count after 0 day or and the restart service after 0 as well. Click on apply, and then once done, you need to go back to the general here and make sure that the startup type is in automatic. Once you're done, stop the service first. Once you've stopped it, start it. Once you have start or make sure that the service status is running, click on apply and then OK. Once done, close the window and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.